Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Fibonacci retracement on Thinkorswim. First, open your Thinkorswim platform. Navigate to the Drawing Tools menu, typically found on the left side of your chart interface. Select the Fibonacci retracement tool from the available options. This powerful tool helps identify potential support and resistance levels, offering insights into possible price reversals within a trend. It's a fundamental technique for many traders. To draw Fibonacci retracements, begin by identifying a significant swing high and a swing low on your chart. For an uptrend, click and drag the Fibonacci tool from the swing low to the swing high. Conversely, in a downtrend, you will drag from the swing high down to the swing low. Ensure your anchor points are precise for accurate level calculations. This establishes the range for the retracement levels to be displayed. Once drawn, the Fibonacci tool displays several horizontal lines representing key retracement levels. The most commonly watched levels are 38.2%, 50%, and 61.8%. These percentages indicate how much of the previous move the price has retraced. Traders often observe these levels for potential price reactions, as they frequently act as strong areas of support in an uptrend or resistance in a downtrend. Thinkorswim allows you to customize your Fibonacci retracement tool. You can adjust line colors, styles, and even add or remove specific retracement levels through the Settings menu. For enhanced analysis, consider combining Fibonacci with other technical indicators, such as moving averages or volume, to confirm potential entry or exit points. Use these identified levels to strategically place your profit targets or set effective stop-loss orders, improving your overall trading strategy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.